you are in for a treat today. Come on. Dun, dun, dun. Take a look. He is finally finished, my nutcracker. And I am in love. Check him out. He is so cute in his little military uniform made out of velvet. And this is actually tree ribbon, you guys. So he has his military velvet uniform, tree ribbon, leather belt, and socks. He is wearing nutcracker socks, people. Yes, and he is looking so fabulous and so debonair in his socks. But this part right here is the only part of his coat that is an actual fabric. This, you guys, is foam paper, like glitter foam paper. I know, right? So different. But his nose, come here, take a look at his nose. I made it out of a Jenga block. Now, I'm not the craftiest person, so I didn't know how to cut it at an angle so it, angles like a nose, but I still think it's cute. And you can kind of see the little Jenga sign in there, which I think adds character. So yeah. Oh, wait, let me show you something. This was my inspiration. How did I do? Where I get the idea for his outfit from here. So you can kind of see the height of the nutcracker. So now if you keep watching, I'm going to show you how you too can make this life-size nutcracker. Shopping list, instruction guide, and all the details that you need to make this nutcracker is located in the description box below. Tears, every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Oh, very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas, I keep so near. Bye.